Hi, I'm Junior with Keystone RV Center. Today we're going to show you how to utilize the Demco sliding hitch. Now this is not their auto slider because that would be automatic and I would have to do a video on it. This is for their manual slide. This will kind of cross over to a couple of the other sliders in the industry, but this again legally is for the video for the 21K auto slide only. So first thing we're going to do, Mark, are you even tall enough to reach up in there? Okay. Gonna come down here, gonna pull this pin out. Notice I'm pointed downhill and my feet are behind the tire. The reason for that is, let's say this truck shifted forwards or back at all because maybe I didn't put the parking brake on. You weren't smart enough to get the cap from Chaparral that gives you the nice, beautiful wide turning radius. So I'm gonna grab a hold of this bar, rotate it over, set it forwards, and you can see there's one pin that it travels in going down the road there and another pin that we're going to use for sliding it. Now we're going to take this pin, we're just going to hook it right in here, that way I don't lose it. If I can actually hook this thing in. Mark, go ahead and make fun of me at this point. Alright, now we're going to jump in the truck. I'm going to hold the trailer brake just like when we were showing during the hitch up video. If you didn't see that video yet, go back and watch that. We're going to hold the trailer brake and just ease forwards. Legal. I'm belting myself in. Got yelled at for the last minute. So, trailer brake is applied. Truck is in first gear. We're rolling forwards. Lock in all the way. So now we are able to go ahead and do our maneuvers. Alright, so now you can see that the fifth wheel has slid behind the axles. You can see that we've got it all the way back there, but there's no way to lock it in permanently here. That's because this is only designed for maneuvering, not for towing, because the weight's behind the axles, not over the axles. So you would do your backing up and twisting and everything like that, and you're going to question why we have a sliding hitch on an 8-foot bed. It's really simple. Current pricing, we're $300 to $400 difference to go to a sliding hitch, depending on make, model, and everything like that. We're $500 insurance deductible for a back window. So it's cheaper for us to have the hitch and not need it ever than to wish we had a new back window. So let's show you how to bring this back into towing position. We're going to go ahead and slide it. Lock it over there, back to that towing position. Now it won't slide in the whole way because we haven't backed up to slide up yet. Holding that brake controller, just backing up slowly. There it goes, locked in. Make sure it's locked all the way. We'll drop our pin back in. Alright guys, and just to cover real quick, we're going to put this pin back in the slot here. While we're back here, I know we probably only stopped at McDonald's or something, got stuck in a parking lot. We're going to check that this is still free for towing. This handle's still locked. Everything looks good. And guys, go ahead and take 5 seconds, do a quick walk around, check your lights, tail lights, all that good stuff too. So, just a quick how to slide your sliding fifth wheel hitch video from Demco.